If you know it's time to stop monkeying around and start getting the results you dream of, this is your wake up call to hire a coach. Hi, I'm Tati, doctor in spiritual science and mindset coach, and I'm here to help you create the business and life that light you up. Now, why do I believe that hiring a great coach is worth every penny and minute you invest in them? Well, number one, clarity. A coach is like a personal GPS in your life's journey. We help you navigate priorities so you can stay laser focused on what matters. Two, you're actually saving. Great coaches are a shortcut. We're guinea pigs and choose what works. That way, you don't have to waste the countless hours and thousands of dollars that we did. Number three, accountability. Most of us thrive when we have someone to help us stay accountable. Well renowned leaders know this, and that's why top performers hire us. And I'm very excited to share I'm briefly opening up a few spots in my Lux coaching programs. Check out the link and see what program suits you best. But hurry, spaces go fast.